Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, on this video we are going to be making black soup. So over here is my blended bitter leaf and some other leaves. There are so many leaves I blended here. So there are about 6 or 8 different types of leaves I blended here. So if you are from Africa, especially Nigeria, you know what I'm talking about. So I have the bitter leaf, I have the oziza, I have different types of leaves in there blended together. So I'm going to be using them to make soup now. So I'm going to be using it to make pepper soup. So that is it. So if you also have the fresh leaf, feel free to use it. That is the fresh bitter leaf. If you also have that, you can use it. But if you don't have, feel free to use this. I prefer this because it contains different types of leaves in there, very healthy leaves. So over here I have my prawns, so I'm going to be adding it to it. I have some dried fish over here. I also have some fish which I'm also going to be adding. So yummy, delicious fish. In here I have my, you can see, this is kmala stockfish. So we are going to dive into the video right away. So before then, I just blended my pepper and onions and other ingredients in here. So we are going to start combining it right away. So guys, I'm going to start and add some of my ingredients. I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of my pepper in there because I didn't blended it with pepper. And I'm also going to be adding my salt. Then add half of my powdered nutmeg. Powdered nut. I'm going to be adding my crayfish in there. So guys, I'm going to be adding my bitter leaf into it. I'm going to give it a nice stir. So guys, our soup is almost ready. So I'm just going to be adding the last ingredients to it. I'm going to add my fish. So I've already added some. So I think this is the last one. So yummy and delicious. So I'm going to taste to see if the salt and the I added is okay. If it's not okay, we are going to be adding a little. So delicious. But I'm going to be adding a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning in there. So in the next 10 minutes, guys, this soup is ready. So we can take it with any types of swallow you want. So in the next 10 minutes. So guys, our soup is ready. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to be dishing it out. For my hubby. So we are going to be taking it with correct pounded yam. When I say correct, so if you know you live around me, don't forget to come and press my bell because it's ready now. When I say it's ready, it's already. Yeah, see you guys on my next video. Until then, remain blessed, stay blessed, bye.